Flores.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I move that we adopt and approve the unnumbered substitute House bill that has been given to the members, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion.
Objection,
There's a
Mr.
motion.
Chair. Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to approve the
Mr. Chair.
unnumbered substitute bill. It has been seconded. Is that an objection, Congressman Irise?
No, I will have to explain my objection.
Yeah, okay. So that's an objection to
Yes,
the motion. Okay.
our objection.
Yes, Congressman Irise.
Well, Mr. Chair, kung ipapasa po natin itong version na ito po ay hindi anti-political dynasty bill. Dahil ito po, mas worst pa sa nangyayari ngayon. Hindi lang po mataba na dynasty ang ipopromote nito, bundat na dynasty ang ipopromote nito. Pangalawa po, maliwanag sa ating konstitusyon. Sa mga framers ng Constitution natin, meron pong parameters on how to define a political dynasty. One, it should promote equal access and opportunities to ordinary citizens for public office. Dito po, yung 10 kayo na magkakamag-anak, lahat kayo pwedeng kumandidato dito sa iba't ibang mga posisyon. Pangalawa po, ang sinabi ng Constitution ng mga framers ng Constitution, it should prevent monopoly of power. 10 kayo, pwede. Hindi may monopoly of power, ang liwanag. Hindi, the Congress have been ignoring the anti-political dynasty provision of the 1987 Constitution for 39 years. Binabaliwala natin. Pero ngayon, mas worse. Bakit? Binabastos natin ang essence ng konstitusyon kung ipapasa natin itong bill na ito. Alam nyo, sabi ni Presidente Marcos, priority niya magpakulong dahil dito sa flood control. Nagawa niya ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Sinabi ni Presidente, priority niya yung independent commission na ipasa ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Ngayon, sabi niya, priority niya, anti-political dynasty. Alam na alam niya yung meaning ng dynasty sapagkat kaming dalawa ang author nung kauna-unahang batas na mayroong provision ng anti-political dynasty bill. Bola lahat.
Please.
Bola nun. Bola, Marcos.
Your Honor, please direct. If that's a objection, you don't need to explain your objection. You just say you objected to the motion. I only allowed you to say your piece, Mr. Chair, just to be fair. No? So there was an objection. Congressman Tino, would you also like to raise your objection? Wala?
Yes, I also object to the
sige.
motion, Mr.
So there's
Chair.
a motion. There's an objection to the motion to adopt the substitute bill, the unnumbered House bill as a substitute bill. Is there? So there's a division. There's a motion. There's an objected to. So we divide the House. Those who are in favor.
Mr. Chair,
Of the motion,
before the voting, may I withdraw my authorship of the bill?
I'm sorry, hindi ko po narinig. You're removing.
I withdraw my authorship on the proposed bill.
Okay, granted. So we divide the House. So those who are in favor of the motion to adopt the unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill, please raise your hand.
Yes, 20. No, 4.
Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. So to the motion that we adopt the unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill, those who are in favor, 20
congressmen in favor of
20
adoption.
members of the House supported the motion, while 4 objected to the motion. So the motion to adopt unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill is hereby approved.